What's going on, guys, and welcome to another episode of Brett Reviews Stuff. My name's Brett, and this is the stuff I'm going to review today. Alright, so the pressure washer we're going to be talking about today is this one right here. It's a Ryobi 3300 PSI pressure washer. Picked up about a year ago from Home Depot. So first, let's show you what it's capable of. Then I'm going to tell you my opinion and tell you if you should buy it or not. All right, so when you pick this pressure washer up from Home Depot, it comes with, obviously, the pressure washer. Comes with a green hose. Hose shown here is a black hose because my green hose, when I was using it, I rested it on the exhaust down here unknowingly, and it burned through the hose and exploded. So I had to buy a new hose off of Amazon. Comes with that. Comes with the gun and the wand and all that good jazz. And then it comes with this nozzle here. This is a multiple adjustment nozzle. It's got several different settings on it, you can see right there. And works great. I have had literally zero issues with this. The one thing that I bought that did not come with it is this surface cleaner down here. Now, I saw a lot of people talking about the surface cleaner and complaining about it and saying that it wasn't that good. And honestly, I haven't had any issues with it. It works great. So I don't know what those people are talking about. Yeah, it's not, it's not very big. It's only 15 inches. So yeah, it's not the best in the world. It's not the biggest in the world, but honestly, for me as a homeowner, it works fantastic for my application. So now that I've shown you what it comes with, let me show you how it works here on this sidewalk here. As you can see, the sidewalk is pretty gross. It's got all kinds of crap. It's got shade and stuff, and this tree that gets gross stuff all over it. So I'll show you a little bit of before and after and time lapse of how it works. Alright guys, so another reason that I got this here pressure washer is because I have this vinyl fence. As you can see, it gets pretty nasty. So here's how it does on a vinyl fence. All right, folks, so you've seen how this here pressure washer works. obviously it does a really good job. Is it a commercial pressure washer? No. Is it something that I would take out if I was pressure washing people's homes professionally? Probably not. But for the vast majority of homeowners, this is going to do everything you want and not be so strong that you're going to be peeling paint off your house. That's why I went with a 3,300 PSI and not something that had higher PSI. So obviously the Honda engine was the big thing for me that sold me on this. Even though in the past I've had some Ryobi tools that I haven't been overly thrilled with, I went ahead and took a gamble on this because I knew that this Honda engine was going to be fantastic. So you can see from the videos that this thing does a really good job. I'm honestly really happy with it. You know, here a year later after purchasing it, I would still make that purchase again. I actually got it on sale for $400. It's typically retails for $450, but I think even at $450, it's a good deal. Honestly, I've been really satisfied with it and don't really have anything negative to say about it. So anyways, hopefully this was helpful for you. If you are in the market for a pressure washer and you were looking at this one, I'd say go for it. So thanks for watching, guys. I love you, and I will see you next time.